Situated in the heart of Shenzhen, Ultravision stands as a beacon of innovation in the realm of AI and video telematics technology, dedicated to revolutionizing fleet safety. Formerly known as Bwin Video, a reputable security brand established in 2013, Ultravision underwent a transformative rebranding in 2021. Drawing upon Shenzhen's world-class manufacturing prowess and our team's over 15 years of expertise in video security hardware development, we are poised to redefine the landscape of the fleet safety sector by delivering AI video telematics devices that exemplify uncompromising excellence, setting a new standard for both superior quality and excellent value. Ultravision primarily manufactures and sells 4G connected dashcams and MDVRs, both of which feature integrated deep learning-based AI algorithms. These advanced algorithms encompass front-facing ADAS, driver-facing DMS, BSD, DRU detection and blind spots, 360-degree surround view, APC, automatic passenger counting, and more. Our unwavering commitment to excellence has garnered widespread acclaim from clients around the world. Presently, our products are shipped to over 100 countries worldwide, catering to a clientele of more than 1,000, with sales surpassing 600,000 video telematics devices. Simultaneously, we have secured over 100 software and invention patents.